Hello, everyone. It is going to be an amazing month, and I hope you are ready. I'm so excited for this month. I think we're going to see $2,500 ETH this month. Let's see. We already came up here, didn't we? Yes. Targets for this month, at least 2,100 ETH, but probably closer to 2,500. And we're freaking long and loaded, and I'm so fucking pumped, bro. This is gonna be an amazing month. Let's see. Look, guys. Look at Litecoin. Obviously, this is the coin I hold the most of. You guys have known I've been super bullish on Litecoin and Monero as my long-term holds. And those are my two favorite, safe coins for the last, I've been saying that throughout the whole bear market. And now, mainly, we got our safe plays accumulated at the bottom, and now we're mainly just focused on memes and altcoins outside of our safe plays, because, you buy your safe plays at the bottom, We already nailed the bottom at 16K. So now it's just like any leftover money we use for meme coins and higher risk plays, and it's been great. But let's see. Look at Litecoin. It's actually not doing shit. I know everyone's looking at this Litecoin pump thinking that's insane, but shockingly, the one that's actually been going crazy is Bitcoin Cash. And I was so damn close to buying some Bitcoin Cash down here in this $100 to $130 range. And there were a couple times actually I bought a little, but I just never put on a big position of Bitcoin Cash. Because I understood that if I'm super bullish on Litecoin, I should probably have a stack of Bitcoin Cash just in case that does well too. It made a lot of sense to me, and sadly, I'm super big in Litecoin, but I was not big in Bitcoin Cash. So kind of stinks, but it's okay. I'm sure I think Litecoin eventually it's gonna rip past $1,000, and just surprisingly, Bitcoin Cash is having that moment right now instead of Litecoin, which is it's cool. It's fine. But yeah, this pump is nothing right now in Litecoin. Yeah, I totally lost all credibility after shilling pump and dumps, right? That's why monkeys went up 50x, Gatsby went up 20x. Yeah, totally lost credibility. Yeah, those weren't amazing calls. So smart. Imagine you ruin those calls because you buy the top. By the way, this is what I've had drawn up. Ask anyone who's in my Discord. I've had this drawn up for over a month now on monkeys. I'm expecting it probably in July or August to just all of a sudden take off again. Is very likely. And I look forward to that. Still have not sold any monkeys. If you check my Discord. Yeah, I'm the delusional one, says the guy who's watching me at midnight, tuned into my live stream. Fucking imagine. Yeah, I lost all my credibility. Look at my Discord. We called Bobo at the bottom and it's up 400%. And oh yeah, I lost all my credibility. You can just see everyone's telling me amazing call. Well played on the call. Let's go. Great call. Yeah, man, I really lost all credibility. Yeah, I am the hurt one for sure, bro. That's why you're up at midnight, bro, watching me right now. But hey, you've got enough of my attention for today. Now you can go jack off to the rest of the night thinking about how that's your biggest accomplishment in life is you got Crash's Clay to talk to you on a live stream. I'll drop your ass off to the Penguins. Don't worry, bro. Damn, it's a little late right now. Only 24 viewers. Last time we streamed, we had like over 100. I think it's too late right now, but that's fine. I'll probably just keep it a short stream then. At least everyone knows now I'm long on ETH from the alerts. You know, lost all my credibility calling the pump. And man, it really sucks, man. Told everyone ETH is gonna go crazy next, long the market. Don't see how the market doesn't rip higher. Same exact trade as longing the bottom in Arbitrum at 93 cents. If you're in my alerts, you know we longed the bottom in Arbitrum the other day, and our stop loss at break even got tagged before it went on to just fucking rip like 30-40% higher. I enter the trade, I'm losing or break even. Draw this up and expecting a lot of upside, but the key is turn off the Wi-Fi and come back in 14 plus days. I expect that. Stop loss at 1803. %3 risk. Well, no, actually we longed at 1870. 3.6% risk, 15% plus upside. What we're expecting. Give us the money. Yeah, every time I say turn off the Wi-Fi, those are usually the best trades. Yeah. This guy's a pure example of when you buy the top on one coin and you go too big on one coin, you don't make money on the other coins, so you're left salty, holding the bag on a loser out of all the winners. Bro, it's so trash. But you can't help people. I don't even feel bad for people. It's like, there's a reason, guys. I'm up over $1 million on memes this last 3 months. and then there's, of course, there's gonna be some salty motherfuckers crying because they're like, what about Juan? It's like, what about it? It's one trade out of, how many have we taken? 8 in the last 3 months. If you took all 8 trades and you got in early, whether you're in my Discord or in my Telegram, you're up literally huge over the last 3 months, bro. Turned 100 into 1K with SHIB 2.0 coin. Nice, very nice. Dude, look at monkeys, how it's just like, it's stable down here, you know? And what you need to understand is it's gotten to the point now where it's so stable. And of course, stable in memes, it could still be down like 50% max in my opinion. But it's to the point now where it is so much harder to go to 0 than it is to pump 6x. Okay, that's what a lot of people don't understand. So a lot of people, they'll sell the bottom when you don't realize, like, you have to look at this objectively and say, it is so hard to go to 0. It is so damn easy to rip higher at this point once price is stabilized. You have 9,000 holders holding, right? Patient, waiting, because all the JEETs already sold. And now, once all the JEETs sell, supply gets into the hands of the people who are in it for the long term usually, right? Or it's in the hands of the people who aren't selling. That's why price is stable. And so it's like, it's just, that's why crypto's designed to go up, because when it goes up and it comes down, the supply goes into the hands of the holders, right? And then you wait for new money and new people to enter in, and you pump again. But each time people JEET out, the supply goes into the hands of the holders. if you're a long-term thing, right, with something with long-term potential, which, as crazy as it sounds, yes, I think monkeys is a very long-term, you know, project. It's got the infinite factor that most coins don't have. And if you're too dumb to realize that, because of course there's probably some dumbass in the comments who's too dumb to realize that, then you can stay poor buying tops, selling bottoms. Yeah. Like, see these arrows? This is where we called monkeys for over a month. I called monkeys down here, and it's still up over 5x. Okay? Yep. Complain about that. Just called Bobo in my Discord. We were accumulating this for like 2 weeks down here. And now that's up, you know, from 800K market cap to 3.2 million. That's a 4x from where we were buying in my Discord. Let's see if we can go to my Discord where I typed Bobo. Okay, so I literally said this. Pretty sure we are all underexposed to this insider Bobo. Let's see. Read my messages in my Discord when I was talking about Bobo. So I told everyone, look at Bobo. It's copying the same pattern as Bitcoin, right? You guys remember that Harry Potter Obama Sonic 10 Inu coin? Well, Bobo was copying the same exact pattern. So I showed everyone this. I said the same / similar group of friends of people's involved with Bobo as they are with Bitcoin. And I can smell them through the charts. I've seen the same people who are bull posting for Bitcoin are also bull posting for Bobo. So I noticed that there are similar people involved with both of these projects. Okay, what you can see is the pattern. They both pump at the start and then they rug, right? Look at this. They pump and they rug. Pump and they rug. Okay, after they rug, look at this. They do this double bottom. Bottom number one, bottom number two. Bottom number one, bottom number two. And that's how I picked up on it. And I told everyone I picked up on the bull posters. They're the same. And I'm confident they're going to run Bobo up when they are ready to. Okay. So you can see. I'm pretty sure we're all underexposed to this insider Bobo. Look at the market cap when I sent this out. 900K market cap, if you guys can see there. Look where it is now. 3.2 million. Number 10 trending. It's like, you know, but guess what? Guess what we hear is usually we'll always hear about the guys who buy the top, who are the loudest and complain. So up 4x on Bobo. That's a fucking sick call, dude. Cause like, just the pattern, bro. Anyone who saw me call this, like, I just love these. Look at this. I said I can smell them through the charts. When I say I can smell them through the charts, I mean the insiders. The people involved with these two coins. You could smell them. The same pattern. The same way. The price moved the exact same way. They pump it. They rug it. They rebuy at the bottom and they push. So, look at this. By August, I definitely expect this to be over here. This is the trajectory for July, in my opinion. Okay, but we can go parabolic. So, this in my opinion is modest, and then this is what. More of what I'm hoping, but also expecting and anticipating to be extremely likely. We can go up to 2,500 in the next month. It's going to be such a good month, man. Look at this. Look at this, dude. So, watch. Look at this. ARB USDT, guys. I show you the stuff that, you know, look at this. This is where we long the bottom in Arbitrum. See this? I already had it drawn up. Okay, so go out here to the main, to my main thing. Okay, look at, look how it comes into support, 4-hour bull divergence, right? Let's go out to the 16 hour. Let's see, was there bull divergence? Yeah, there was. Oh no, not really. Not really, not on 16 hour. But on 4 hour there was. Let's see, 8 hour. Yeah, 8 hours, huge bullish divergence. What about 12 hour? 12 hour, not so much. But 8 hour, 4 hour, you had massive bull divergence going into support after dropping for an extended period of time, right? So look at Arbitrum. It was dropping for like 60 days, and it dropped 50%. It was here. It was free falling for 14 days, and it had dropped 30%. So same exact pattern. Look at this. ETH BTC, look at this. It's been a free fall for an extended period of time, guys. This thing, ETH, has been downtrending versus Bitcoin for 290 days. Jeez, I didn't realize it's been that long. But then, obviously, since this free fall right here, it's been 23 days, right? So I've explained this in my last live stream where I nailed the pump. This is the best pattern in all of trading. It's whenever you see an extended period of a sell-off, when the sell-off has been happening for a long time and it's just been going straight down with no signs of what, or to people it seems like, oh, ETH just keeps underperforming. It just keeps shitting itself versus Bitcoin. Whenever something is selling off for an extended period of time and it goes into a major support with massive bullish divergence, that trade is going to win 9 times out of 10, and it's going to mark a bottom for at least 2 to 4 weeks. Okay, so I'm telling you right now, this pattern is going to give us a bottom in Ethereum over Bitcoin, in my opinion, for 2 to 4 weeks. That's how I know. That's how I have confidence to hold this trade for at least 2 to 4 weeks. At least. I can close my eyes for the next 14 days, and I'm not sweating. I'm not worried because I know the pattern. I know the probability, and I've done this so many fucking times that, like, I know this pattern, bro. You know? So, like, if you will just remember your patterns that make you so much money, and you just wait for those patterns to show up on the charts and you trade them, you can go in with super good confidence. And like, I have extreme confidence right now because, guys, this is my fucking favorite pattern in all of trading. There is no better pattern in trading to me. I love this pattern. I explained it on my last live stream. I'm explaining it again on this live stream. If you just understand this simple pattern, bro, you're going to be rich because you will do it over and over and over again. And you're going to see it. It pops up over and over again throughout the years. You may see it once a month. You may see it 3 times a month. You may see it, 10 times a year. But when you see it, you pull the trigger with confidence and you go in, bro. Okay? And that's where you make big money, is that the 10 times in the year where you fucking know, all right, this is my bread and butter. This is my setup. This is my favorite setup. I love this setup. Let's go. Like, when you get hyped because this is your fucking favorite pattern, like, it's the best. And especially once you get a large amount of money, right? Once you get, I don't know what's a large amount of money to a lot of you guys, but once you get an amount where you can actually make a living trading, right? Like, for example, right now I put $25,000 on this trade on 20x leverage, which gives me almost a $500,000 position. This $500,000 position is going to pay my rent for the next 6 months. You see what I mean? And so you only need a few of those a year. But like this pattern, it's going to pop up at least 10 times a year. So when it does, you go in and you strike, and every time you strike, bam, you just paid your rent for 6 months or 12 months or whatever you want to pay for. It's paid for. So these setups and these patterns, they're a gift when you notice them and you're confident and you know what you see and you know how to read the charts. It's my favorite setup in trading, bro. And I'm so hyped. I'm so excited that it's here, So yeah, bro, I'm really excited. I'm also not just excited for no reason. I'm confident because I know what I see in the charts. I know that we're going to pump. Ethereum is going to outperform Bitcoin probably for at least a month, you know, based on this pattern, bro. So basically this is what I expect, right? You see how it has these dumps and then it pumps, it dumps, and it pumps, okay? So look, it dumped and now expect it to pump to some extent. Maybe it goes up and it stops there. Maybe it's the ultimate freaking bottom, okay? It could be. Maybe it's the ultimate bottom in the Ethereum Bitcoin pair. Okay, but that's like, you just know this is your bottom point in the short term. So look at that. Bam, I long Ethereum. I go in heavy on Ethereum because I know this is going to be the bottom in the pair, bro. I'm like, you're 90% confident that's the bottom in the pair. You know that, look, the market goes down and it goes up. The market goes down and it goes up. The market goes down and it goes up. The market just went down for 20 days and now it's going to go up. I know that, bro. I'm 2% sure of that. That's how the market moves, and the charts show me that I'm going to be right probably. Like, extremely high probability I'm going to be right. It's my favorite pattern in trading. And so now I can turn off my Wi-Fi for 14 days and I know I'm going to hit. I know I'm going to bank. With, you know, well, okay, 500K position. So let's say Ethereum pumps out to 2400, right? 2400. That's a 70 Ethereum profit, which is like 100. That would be 150, 160K by the time you get there. Actually, no, it would be more. It would be like 180 or $190,000 profit, right? So yeah, $180,000 profit can pay for your rent for a good bit. You do that 10 times a year. You have 10 trades in the year where you make over 100K, and you make over $1 million that year. Now, of course, you're going to have losses that are going to cut into those gains as well. But you get the point, right? It's going to pay your rent. It's going to pay whatever, you know. It's nice. Like, it's, most people's payday is like, what, every week or at the end of the month. Whereas a trader, your big paydays come when you wait for these setups that you know you're going to win on. And finally, my payday has come, right? Like, I know it's here, you know, it's time to get paid. I know with like 90% confidence I'm gonna get paid, and I'm gonna make some actual money. I'm not gonna make like $1,000 or $3,000. I know I'm gonna make 40K plus at least, you know. Like, that's the type of trade and that's the type of setup is in front of me. It's not like a little scalp. This is a big picture 14 to 28 day trade at least. You can see that in the charts, and that's the thing, bro. Most people can't see that in the charts. Most people have no clue what they're doing, and all they see is like a bunch of red and green candles. You see, like, can you believe that the typical person just looks at this chart and they just see a bunch of green and red candles, and they see the market going up and down? And then there's people out there in the world like me who can see it and just be like, oh, fuck, I know I'm going to win, like 90% plus chance. This is my fucking setup. It's time to get paid. It's a completely different way of trading when you're just looking at a bunch of freaking candles on the chart and you have no idea what you're seeing, or you can actually enter in with supreme confidence, go on a live stream with your position, and you're not worried because, look, bro, I know 90% plus chance I'm going to win this. I know 90% plus chance I'm going to make 40K plus, you know? So it's like, I'm chilling. But most people don't have that confidence because most people don't know how to read charts. Most people don't know what they're doing. And they open this chart and they're like, all they see is like a bunch of squiggles and stuff, and there's no confidence if you don't know how to read that. Yeah, guys, if you want to join the alerts, it's free. First link down below, and I think it's the only link down below this video to join my alerts. It's completely free. But yeah. But yeah, I told you this play is going to be 14 to 28 days probably. Assuming I stick to the plan like a good soldier, you know. This is what we're looking at, bro. By the time we hit August, which is this orange line, I expect us to be at 2160 or 2500. Something like this, bro. Maybe pull back there a little. Bam. Short maybe there. Maybe get a pullback there. I don't know. I'm just drawing stuff right now. I don't know, bro. All I know is definitely not bearish. R.I.P. Capo. Yeah, dude, come trade with us in Crash Alerts. We're not trading often, dude. I'm not trading often at all. Taking like 4 trades a month, if that, and 3 trades in the month. They're really just dipping the toe in the water and just feeling the market. But it's not like... Recently, there's been no big trades for me on Bitcoin. This is a good one, though, in my opinion. So yeah, pretty much nothing else to say. I feel like, let's see. That seems pretty likely. Could also go there. So yeah, point is, I expect a local bottom in Ethereum over Bitcoin, which means bam. At the very least, this is gonna be, look at this. Ethereum Bitcoin has probably no chance of going much lower than this point here until maybe September or October. It could break these lows. Kind of like when I called the bottom in Amazon, if anyone remembers that. Similar, it's the same pattern, guys. Where we could go wrong in this trade is it could just kind of drift off a little lower for a little longer into mid-July. But that doesn't mean we would be booted out of the trade, although we could be booted out of the trade for a loss. But that's what I'm estimating is like a 10% chance. Is it like a 10% chance to lose, 90% chance to win, and we're in it to win it, so yeah. What's the move on Solana? Well, if the rest of the market's bullish, I would expect Solana to be. And I expect altcoins to outperform soon, right? Because once again, if Ethereum, Bitcoin bottoms here, like I think it is, then that means altcoins are going to start to outperform Bitcoin pretty soon, which obviously altcoins have been shitting themselves recently. So Solana should do well soon. It should pick up. And it should start doing good, which looks like it is starting to. So yeah. Guys, make sure you're following me on Twitter. This is going to be a big month. I can feel it. I'm really sure. I'm pretty confident this will be one of the best months of my life. July 2023. I got a good feeling about this month coming up. Feel like it's going to be a great month. So make sure you're following me, because whatever I'm doing, I'll let you know. The first people that will find out what I'm doing is always going to be people in my alerts or in my Discord, or really people in private group chats with me. My friends. Those are the people that will always be first, even before Discord or Telegram or anything. So Go Bobo. Let's look at Boo Boo. I'm super bullish on this. I called this at 500K. It's still up 3x. And you can't say many meme coins are up from where, you know. I call Boo Boo over here. And it's up here still 3x. Hit 4x. And if you actually, I'm going to make a video about Boo Boo soon. It's actually genius. It's well thought out, and most people don't get it yet. I get it, and I'll explain that in a video soon. But anyways, I'm out, I think, for the night. I think I'm done. I don't think I have much else to say besides I expect this to be a bottom in the ETH BTC pair. If that's the case, you know, look, market goes down, then it goes up, then it goes down. Nothing goes down in a straight line. This is the absolute perfect pattern. This is the absolute perfect time for Ethereum to start, you know, performing a little bit better over Bitcoin, and then start to perform really good over Bitcoin in about 14 to 28 days. It should really start to do really well, I'm thinking. So I expect us to make bank, and if you're in my alerts, congrats to us, because we're probably going to make a solid 40K plus, but we could make as high as like 200K just on this trade. So that's what I'm guessing, 40K to 200K profit. That'll pay the rent for a little, which is nice, and you know, we'll call it a nice trade. And this month I have three major trades planned out. So I have this trade, and I have 2 other trades planned for this month. This is the first major trade of the month, and that's the thing. I already have my trades planned out for this month, for the entire month of July. And, you know, it's June the 29th, so we're not even reached July yet, but I've already planned what my next month is going to look like. I'm ready and I'm prepared. And I have a vision for what I want my next month to look like, and I'm going to control that to the best of my ability, and I'm going to come out of July a much richer, you know, more awesome person. I'm pretty damn confident about that. So looking forward to July, and let's make it an amazing month, and let's, you know, not drift. That's one thing I don't like, is drifting, not making progress. You know, days going by where you can't even really remember the day, or you just feel like, man, 3 days just passed. What did I even do? And sometimes as a trader, you know, you kind of got to get a little bit used to drifting in your trading, because sometimes there is no trade to take for like a month or 2 months, and you got to be okay with that. So while you're drifting in your trading, I find you got to be progressing in other areas of your life, right? So if it's slow in trading, go progress somewhere else and then come back to trading. Especially once you're trading with larger amounts of money, you don't want to be sitting there in front of your trading screen every damn day trading Ethereum or Bitcoin, because there's not, like, now is the time to make a big move in Ethereum. So I'm here. But after this trade, you know, there may not be a great opportunity to trade for like another 1 to 2 months. Who knows? On Ethereum or Bitcoin. So, you know, it is what it is. But just if you're ever drifting in your trading, I don't think more repetition of trading is going to help you in that time. I think focusing on other areas and making sure you're not drifting overall in your life will help your trading. So I don't know if that makes sense, but drifting sucks, you know. I never want to drift. So a little tangent, but you know, if you're drifting, you know, let's not drift, bro. Let's make it an amazing month. So I'm excited. I expect this to be one of the best months of my life, and I hope you guys will join me, and I hope we all make a shitload of money this next month and do a lot of good. So guys, I'll see you later. Thank you for watching. I hope everyone makes a shitload of money on Ethereum this month, and a couple other big trades that I got planned for the month. Make sure you follow me on Twitter. All right, guys. I'll see you later. Take care, and let's make a shitload. Bye.